Hi everyone, welcome to our enchanting beauty heaven, where we dive into the captivating world of lip glosses and lipsticks. By my channel, Beauty is Joy Forever. By this channel that will leave you utterly spellbound. In this captivating video, I will take you on an alluring journey through a collection of charming lip glosses and lipsticks that promises to transform your pout into an irresistible work of art. So, dear viewers and dear friends, join me for this beautiful and unique adventure and embraces the power of charming lip glosses and lipsticks that will make you feel confident, radiant and ready to conquer the world. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and unleashes your inner allure with us. Remember, the perfect pout is just a lip gloss or lipstick away. So guys, share my videos and subscribe my channel for more beautiful journey. So guys, prepare to be mesmerized as we explore a wide range of shades, finishes and formulations that cater to every style and occasions. Whether you are a beauty conscious and or simply someone who loves a touch of glamour, this video is sure to leave you spellbound. So by this video, you can pick up the unique ideas and unique designs showcasing high shine ultra glosses formulas that added an very unique luster to your lips. Discover a plethora of alluring shades from soft and subtle to bold and daring, leaving you with endless possibilities to express your unique personality. So, next we will unveil the captivating world of lipsticks. So remain with us, and by this video you can see velvety, matte, satin smooth or richly creamy. These enchanting lipsticks will leave you breathless. Dive into a universe of reds, pinks, nude and daring hues, each one crafted to enhance your natural beauty and elevate your makeup game to a new heights. So pick up the new and unique ideas from this video and enhance your confidence. So guys, throughout the video, I will share pro tips on selecting the right lip products for your skin tone and face shape, ensuring that your chosen lip glosses and lipsticks your best features effortlessly. Furthermore, you will witness captivating switching and in-depth products reviews to help you make informed decisions before adding these delightful lipsticks and lip glosses. So join us for this beautiful journey and embrace the power of charming lip glosses and lipsticks. Thanks for watching.